In this video, friends, we'll do comparison between two powerful tools between Power Automate and N8N. So friends, let's get started with Power Automate. You can guys automation your solution powered by low codes and AI, and you can guys use for streamline process across organization to save your time and focus. You can also use chat with AI powered by assistants, and you can get your question answered by AI. And you have you can use guys for analyze your reports from here, guys. You can use to read your enhance your productivity with automations, and you can learn how customers save your time, low cost, and foster cultures for innovations with Power Automate. And ROI, guys, over 3 years by improving hours saved by your employee to 20% reduction developer and 248% for your efficiency and legacy system costs. So guys, this is Power Automate N8N, guys. It's flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. You can build and speed, track and drop hosts, and you can connect with different sources like chat AI. You can plug your own data over 500 integration. You can start from here, guys. Click start here. You can write your own information and you can get started. You have guys. This is guys product overview. This is for integration. You have multiple products you can integrate with OpenAI, Slack, Gmail, Telegram, Google Gemini, Webhook, Google Drive, Notion, Superbase. And this is how you can connect. You can just click create a new workflow from here, and you can get started with your all data from here. You can collect your data, analyze. This is you have templates option, guys. You can use all these templates based on coding, guys. This is template. These two powerful software, guys. You can help you for your own business. Thanks for watching.